This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware compatibility and why that matters. VGA is analog, so you need either two outputs or a signal converter. Once done, power off the PC and monitors to avoid hot plug issues. Next, locate the primary VGA port on your GPU or motherboard and identify secondary options, DVI, HDMI, or DisplayPort, because you'll convert digital to analog if necessary. Make sure your VGA cables are intact and labeled so you won't swap inputs later. You now connect physical cables and understand the how and why. Plug VGA into the main output and hand tighten the screws to ensure signal stability. If your GPU lacks a second VGA, install an active HDMI to VGA or DisplayPort to VGA adapter. Passive ones won't provide conversion. Once connected, boot the PC and open display settings. Make sure Windows or your OS detects two displays and not a mirrored signal. Adjust resolutions so both monitors use supported refresh rates and aspect ratio. You finish by arranging displays and verifying functionality. Set the orientation and choose Extend to expand your workspace, then apply resolutions and scale to match both screens. Make sure to update or reinstall graphics drivers because outdated drivers commonly block additional outputs. Reboot after updates. If the second monitor stays blank, swap cables and ports to isolate a bad cable, test the adapter on another system, and check BIOS/UEFI settings to ensure integrated graphics are enabled when needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.